Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making apple turnovers. I love how easy this recipe is. It comes together so quickly, and these are great little pockets for on the road or when you want a snack. They work out really well. So what we're going to do is melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan, peel and chop 3 medium apples into chunks and cook them on a low heat for 5 minutes until softened. Just a reminder, if you like this recipe as much as I do, please take the time to share it with your friends and your loved ones so that they too can make these amazing apple turnovers. The apples shouldn't be mushy, they should still have a slight bite to them. At this point, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a pinch, or about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. The apples will break down and the sugar and cinnamon will begin to coat the apples. Cool the mixture to room temperature. If you try filling puff pastry with a hot mixture, the pastry gets soggy and falls apart. For the egg wash, we're going to combine 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. You just want to mix it enough to combine them both together, but not too much as to make the egg frothy. Set the egg wash aside and begin to roll your puff pastry. You will need 500 grams of puff pastry for 8 turnovers. You can use the pre-rolled packs that you find at the supermarket. I couldn't, so I had to use my own recipe. I have included the recipe in the description box below, so do check it out. Trim the edges to make a neat square. Cut your puff pastry into 8 squares. Roll out the pastry to a 1/4 inch thickness. Fill each square with 2 to 3 tablespoons of the apple mixture, leaving 1/2 centimeter gap around the edges. Lightly apply egg wash to 2 edges of the pastry. If you add too much egg wash, then the pastry will get soggy and stick to your surfaces. Fold 1 corner over to form a triangle. Press them down tight and crimp with a fork. Transfer the apple turnovers to a parchment-lined tray. Brush each turnover with the egg wash. And finally, sprinkle some coarse sugar over the tops of each of these beautiful apple turnovers. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 23 minutes. Alternatively, if you'd like to use these at a later date, do not brush them with the egg wash. Instead, just place them on a parchment-lined tray and stick them in the freezer until frozen. Then you can place them in Ziploc bags and keep them in the freezer for up to 3 months. Well, there you have it, guys. Really easy apple turnovers. I can't think of anything better to have with my tea. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!